don't even know if I ever did an intro, but hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today we're doing unboxing. You already know by the title of the video that we're going to be unboxing today. I don't know if my head is cut off. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing I want to unbox is this here, because what is inside here I will use to unbox the rest. So guys, it's just a tripod. This is a small tripod and a mic. I'm so depressed today because I'm so depressed today because of this money situation we're currently facing in this country. Like, isn't it ridiculous? But anyways, this is just a tabletop tripod I got from Austin 2020 on IG. They don't do deliveries, but this is just so that I can, like, you know, place it on the countertop, because the one I'm currently using is so high, and most times when you want to just keep something close or hold on your hand, this is not really a great, you know, tool. So the next one is the mic. I don't know if this is recording, but yeah, this is what it looks like inside. So they said, oh, so this is the mic. I've seen this mic a lot on so many YouTubers page, and this is the button. So let me plug this and let's see how, if it works well. Okay.
Hey, can you hear me? Hi, can you hear me? I feel like a newscaster right now with this mic. Okay, let's see if it works.
So guys, I think we all agree that this mic works well. Let me see if I can pin it to a part of my clothes. Would fiction affect this? Should I check? I'm not used to this. I feel like blushing, but it was so expensive. I don't feel like blushing anymore. Anyways guys, I think I'll just hold it like this. I think I feel better talking like this than it's pinned on my shirt. Anyways, let's move on to our unboxing. Drum roll. So guys, we're starting from this one. I sing a lot for someone who don't know the lyrics, so I'm just going to unpack this baby right now. I've never done an unpacking video before. That's a lie, but I'm doing this one on YouTube for the first time. So we're unboxing this baby. So guys, this is an LG smart inverter oven. I have no idea what that means, but the lady said this was the best type of microwave to get now, especially since all this hike in tariff, NEPA tariff and stuff. And since I was into cooking, or since my business, that this was going to be more economic friendly. It wasn't cheap, guys, but she said it was going to, like, serve me better than regular microwave. So I hope that is true. I don't know if this is heavy. I am bringing it out of the box. Oh my god, that's not working. Should I pour it out? Let's do this together. Okay. Oh my god. It's like a shiny new toy. Look at that. This looks like, it looks so pretty, and I'm really loving the black. So this is what the interior looks like. This is a 25-liter microwave, and this is what the inside look like. I have to just go. Okay. And this is the warranty. You see, the store gives you the same warranty supermarkets would give you, and it's cheaper, right? So this is the warranty in case anything happens, and you just return it to the store. So using a store than a supermarket doesn't really affect your warranty. Okay, so I'm going to be doing the next one. I don't know if you can see me, but this is my favorite. But this wasn't even the one I wanted to get. Ooh, this is a big boy. I'm so excited for this. I wish my flatmate was here to see, because we were both very excited. To get this. But I think I need to shoot a video for TikTok right now. So give me a minute. I was trying to do something creative. God, I feel like I'm dying. I was trying to do something creative for TikTok, and I hope it turns out well. If you're not following me on TikTok, please try to, okay? I don't know much about social media. I'm a very weird person, and I am just learning everything. I'm just learning everything by myself right now. Oh my god, it's green. It's literally green. Oh my god, this will be the only green thing I have in my house. Oh, that didn't go so well. Why don't things like this ever work out for me? Oh my god, guys, I think I'm in love. What? This baking. Why am I saying baking? Fermentation. It ferments. You will. Oh damn! This is deep, guys. It enters my hand. This. What the hell am I saying? Shut up. Okay, guys. These are the accessory it came with. I think this is for pulling out the rack or something, but I don't really like metal things. I have too much history with electric shock. And these ones I think are for here, but I don't know how to fix them. Okay. Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. God, I'm so smart. I'm so smart. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. What the hell did I do? What the hell is this? Is this what it's supposed to be like? Oh my god, I just messed up. I'll sort this out later. Anyway, this is the wire rack and the baking tray. I'm a little bit disappointed. This is not all I thought it was going to have. I was expecting like a frying basket and stuff, but I didn't get that. So, well, I got only one rack, for God's sakes. How am I supposed to dehydrate with one rack? I am not happy, guys. I literally am not happy. Guys, I like the color, but I don't really like the air fryer itself because it's so limiting. I don't know how much I can do in here. Well, I guess time will tell. Next time I just have to be patient because I was planning to get the Buchymix, the Buchymix mixer. I was trying to get the Buchymix air fryer, but that was out of sale, and I just thought that getting this would, suffice. But it was the same price. This is just bigger, but this has way less features. Oh my god, I feel like crying. What the hell? So guys, this is the last item I'll be unboxing for today, but I don't know if I will do it on camera because fridge tends to take so much, not just space, but effort too. And I'm already not happy anymore. I was so excited when I started this, for the air fryer messed with my mood, but that's okay. Shit happens. Come on. Okay, this is bigger than I thought. Whoa, this is big. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice. Oh my god, this is so big. This is way bigger than I expected it to be. And I wanted something small. Now I know where my money went. What the heck? I wanted something small, something so small, right? This is the product warranty, and it comes with the accessories, the keys, and this is the those deep freezers come with oh, it's changed to this rack. I'm going to sort that one out later, but this is what I am working with. So you can lock this fridge. I don't know why. Oh my god, I'm so exhausted. I got them from neighborhood market. I would link the lady's store. She is such a lovely person and she would definitely give you something worth your money. I hope you enjoyed this video and I can't wait to see you in my next one. That's it. Bye. I'm enjoying this mic so much. A little too much. And I hope I don't spoil it from too much excitement. That's what sharing. I'm talking to myself, but if you can hear me, I love you.